Hey guys, welcome back to releasethecraftin. Priscilla here with a little Quickie Stickii unboxing. So this month I only got the vintage pack, and oh yeah, Stickii Club is a subscription thingy. I'm not sponsored by it, so I will put the link for it down below if you want to go check it out. But I just like unboxing and sharing what I got with you guys, so here we're doing it. This month I got the vintage pack, and look at how pretty the envelope is. Like, I love this. I can't wait to use it. I'm only gonna have to cover up like this part and this part. And maybe this part, but I don't know if that's really going to throw it off. But, like, you know, this is all really pretty usable envelopes. So I love that they're, like, decorating the fronts of their envelopes. It's really, like, it's giving. I really love that. Also, because I have, like, a stack of these envelopes that just are begging to be used. So it's nice when there's some, like, variety. And I'm just going to apologize up top. I still have, like, really bad allergies that I am dying from. So my voice is going to fluctuate as we go, so bear with me. But the theme for this one is By Her Sword. So of course, you know, I had to get this one. This is so cool. It's such a good theme. I'm so excited to see what we got. So first up, ew, look at that. They've never done this before. How cool is this? So this is from Stickii Club. I really just like the little cover. It's a little bound book with like little notepad paper, little tearaway notepad papers of different castles. How cool is that? This is really nice. I really like this. They did say that they were going to start adding new stuff when they did their price change, and if this is the stuff that they're adding, I'm down, because that's really cool. That's super useful. And then the fancy sticker we got is by Cloveroon, and since it's a sticker, I will bring you guys up closer, so hold on just a second. Okay, how's that? Much better, right? You can see the details now. So, we got some fancy little vinyl stickers in here. And look at how pretty those are. Ooh. The D20, I love that. Definitely, like, would love to make, like, a D&D journal at some point, so that's really nifty. And these are really pretty. Like I said, the artist is Cloveroon. You can see that. So you can check them out if you want to see more of their stuff. Really pretty. I'm gonna try to fit all that back in the bag. I'll do that later. Let's see what sheets we got. There we go. So I think, yeah, we're just going to get a bunch of regular sheets, because that little book was already pretty impressive. Usually there's like a postcard or something at the back, but I think that book took up all the bonus points that we were going to get for this set. They're all really stuck together. Not like stuck, but like static stuck. So for the first one, we have this really pretty like watercolor castles and towers. I really like that. This is by Jenna Dano? Jenna Dano. That's what it says. I don't know why I'm acting like I've never said the name Jenna before, but for a second I doubted myself. But here we go. I really like this. This is really pretty. It's like really simplistic, but also very fantastical, and I love that. So very neat. And then these are from Stickii Club. And it's just like a bunch of armor and helmets. Which is interesting. I like the color scheme and the sketchiness of it. It has a very hand-drawn look. Also like the blue color. Like the color is giving. And it's lady armor because it's by her sword. So it's lady legs, I'm guessing. Or very thin man legs. But I'm going to go with lady legs because of the theme. And then we have these, whose name I'm not going to attempt, but I love this artist. I follow her on Instagram. So I'm very excited to have a sticker sheet with her art on it. But look how pretty that is. It's super detailed. It's black and white. It's just regular stickers. There's nothing fancy about the paper. But even the background is nice for the sticker paper. Like, you could still maybe cut some of these out or find a way to incorporate that into the backgrounds and stuff. And lots of cool swords and stuff. Very neat. This is so regal. I love that. And we have this cool like little banner embellishment. So those are really cool. And then we have a full sheet from Clover Rune. I still feel like we're like a bajillion miles away. Is that better? I hope that's better. And her work is also very detailed. And it's really pretty. The paper is like a parchment color, so it's showing up a weird, funky yellowish color on camera, but it's more traditional old parchment color than the way that the camera is displaying it. I love her. That's so cool. We got little fairies. That's really neat. I love this one too. So super cool. So since I brought us down to that level, so you guys can see the detail better here. That looks right. That looks appropriate. So you can see how pretty that is. She's in like a cabbage, which I didn't notice the first time, but that's interesting. So yeah, super cool stickers in this set. I had to get this for sure. And then we have these ones from Stickii Club. And there's like Valkyries. Or they're giving Valkyries. But they're super cool. Look at that. I love this. I love this design too. And her little wolf friend. Yeah, they're definitely Valkyries. And that's super cool. So I love this. They're like very celestial maiden types. With like the designs on their armors. Which I think is supposed to be like flowers, but they look like stars to me. Look how cool that is. And then there's like a little bit of gilding. Very fine gilding. So those are really pretty. And then also from Stickii Club are these like washi paper, like heraldic frame labels. That's really interesting. They're very sketchy and watercolory, so they match the other stuff really well. I don't know. I'm trying to think of how I would use these. They definitely have to be like a background element, but that's pretty neat. Because they're washi paper, they're going to go translucent onto whatever you put onto them. So like, not like transparent, but like you'll be able to see whatever's on the background. So if there's like text or something, it'll show up on the background. So that's just something to consider. And then there is another sheet of washi sticker type. And this is from Sam Gillett Illustrations. And we have some more of these like great castle motifs. This one's like more of a traditional fairy tale style, like in the old school, like Arthur Rackham sense. But I like that too. This is really pretty. This like overgrown library is boss. I love that. So that's really pretty. And then the last sheet we have is from Bunny Minds. And it's got all these great like armored knights with this really great gilding. It's like a rose gold gilding. So that's really pretty. And I love the poppies. Oh, and I like her haircut. So that's very cool. Super pretty. And I also love just how many of them are people of color. That's awesome. You don't really get to see people of color represented in like knights and fairy tale type stuff that often, so that's very cool to me. I love that a lot. So yeah, these are really great. I think like my only criticism is that I wanted more ladies. And we got stuff and ladies. We got 4 sheets of stuff and 4 sheets of ladies, but I could have just used 8 sheets of ladies. But otherwise, I love this. I love this. I think it's really cool. There's a lot of different like types of like sword wielding ladies here to go with. So I love that. I love this set. I'm very happy that I got it. Lots of cool stuff. I'll have to think about it. I have some stuff sort of put together for stuff like this, like medieval, renaissance-y dragons type stuff. But I don't have that much stuff yet put together, so maybe I'll start collecting more stuff and we'll do something like that in the future. But let me know what you guys think. What did you think of this month's Stickii Club? And leave that in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one, because this is supposed to be fast. And yeah, again, apologies, because I know this is pretty pretty low energy for a Stickii Club unboxing, but I'm exhausted by allergies, so we're doing our best right now. But I will catch you guys all in the next one. Oh, and I guess because this is an unboxing video, I did get another one of the Beadbox Club unboxing things, and I'm gonna upload my video of our making stuff with that stuff soon. So if you were looking for that, it is coming soon. But yeah, that's it for me, guys. I will catch you all in the next one. Until then, happy crafting. Bye.